Got too big for this small town. People say you don't come around. Guess you got some new friends now, don't ya? You could have called to say goodbye.
Hey, hey, hey. Hello guys. So it's another beautiful day. Still at Istanbul. I don't even know what day this is. But technically, I'm about to go get my laptop. If you watched my first vlog, I was like, I want to go get a laptop. So yeah, we're basically doing that today. So today is going to be adventurous. Yeah, I'm actually vlogging. Yeah, so I don't know if I should do like OOTD. Technically, I'm wearing this extra large sweater and just black pants and boots. The room is messy. Excuse my messiness. I cannot be bothered this morning. I hope by the way, I hope you guys are doing well. How's your day going? How's everything going? All right. I guess the next clip will probably be us on the streets. And today I have Eunice with me, so there's like going to be 3 of us. Today is gonna be fun. Yeah. 12 for the camera. Smile.
Could have called me a ride or die. Guess you think you're on cloud 9, don't ya? You only want what you can have. You only want what you can have. I'm saying
Bye, baby. Bye.
Hi guys.
Hey. Well, this is the first time we're meeting Eunice.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So this is Eunice, my friend, my amazing friend. She's been away. Well, we're going on our adventures with Glory. Glory, don't be a bitch. Anyways, bye.
That's nice. Let's go.
As in,
Wow.
now I'm the one that you can't have. That's what you want. I see you out in town with your new friends now, thinking you're too good for me. When the life gets old and the nights get cold, gonna wish you didn't leave. I thought I knew ya. Why'd you go and switch on me? When the life gets old and the nights get cold, gonna wish you.
look at all these shoes, man. I want shoes. And these bags are so cute. Look at these shoes. They want to buy heels. I don't buy heels because I finally figured out that I can't walk in heels. Yeah.
Didn't leave. Wish you didn't leave. Wish you didn't leave. When it's late at night and you're faded.
Your leg is narrow,
Yeah, so it might
so it's not looking like excess space. You have my mom's leg.
grab my leg.
Or say, come on, give it to them. Hey, 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 hey.
Don't come calling me baby. There's no way I'll be waiting for you.
It looks like there's a skylight behind me, but really, it's not. This is the end of the day, literally, and we're at a restaurant. Still far from home, like an hour away from home. I don't know what to eat. I'll probably go with like, I feel like I'm gonna go with this chicken cutlet.
Enjoy your meal.
I got like chicken cutlets with mashed potatoes, which I requested anyway. So yeah, let me see. Oh my god, that looks so good.
I swear.
Like, that's your money's worth right there.
You were blacked out in the bathroom. I said, hold on, I'll be back soon. It was cold out on the way home. If you fell down, I would catch you. We were best friends, I remember. We saw third eye in December. If I knew we'd end up here.
Oh my god. It's so dark. I know, so when I look at the other mirror, it is so dark.
Feels like I don't know you anymore.
came back home and I literally kept forgetting to vlog, honestly. Like, what is this life? Honestly, it was quite a long day as well. So basically, I'm just going to show you guys a few of the things that I got. I can't even remember, where did I put the thing? Oh, here it is. I got like lights, because if you've been like watching my videos, I think in pretty much every video I always cry about lights. I'm always like, oh my god, I need like proper lights for recording videos and all that stuff. Haha, finally got one. And I'm just gonna show you guys this bag because it's already out here. How cute is this? I got this as well. I like this little thing. Look cute with the bag, so I got it. I also got this, like, I mean, about that YouTuber lifestyle though. I got tired of holding my phone actually, so I got this to like put it on the thing. Can you see the whole thing? Can you hold this, Glory? Yeah, technically. Why she gotta do it like that? Anyway, so this is the ring light. You guys forgive the background and like everything, it's a mess. We just got back from outside obviously, and everything is just all over the place. Why are you
laziness?
Because of the way I placed it.
Stop is that? And I see your money shed everywhere.
We're gonna blur it out.
Yeah, I just looked at it. I was something was wrong.
I swear, like, I cannot be bothered right now. Anyways, by the way, look at this cute. Okay, let's not do this. Let's just deal with this. The ring light is pretty cool. I mean, after this, I'm just gonna end the vlog because, I mean, we're done for the day. It's like 9. What's the time? 10. Oh my god. It's 10:30. I did not even. So basically, this is what it looks like on the box. Oh god damn it, it's heavy, guys. So this is what it looks like. I don't know how much it weighs. It probably says it's somewhere in the box, but you know what? Yeah, so you open it this way. Ooh, this is like an unboxing video technically. And then you have the actual bag. Yeah, so you have this. You have the cable, which is what connects to electricity. And then we have this, which is like a mini kind of stand for your phone if you want to attach it to the light. You know, comes in handy as well. And then this is probably like just a manual or something. It's just a my head, but it's all right. And then you have the handle strap here. Then this little bit here where you open up, and then the lights. I got the white one, which now that I think about it, I probably should have just gotten the black one. But I like the white too. They had pink as well, but nah, it was either white or black for me anyway, so I went with the white one.
Stop lying.
And then in here is like a little zipper where you can, it has a mirror, guys. You can attach it to the thingy and like, so cute. I'm so excited. I might not use this mirror, but I'm so excited. So I'm gonna show you guys. I feel like this mirror weighs half of the thing.
Hey, Hauwa Sami, Hauwa. No. Wow.
I swear it was.
Your luck is real break, man.
I swear. Like I tried doing this. Okay, they didn't place it properly.
I see.
Honestly,
I see.
this is exact. Yeah, it has.
It has the mega.
Yeah. I was like, yo, that's on my face. Most especially, that's all that sits on my face. All right. I really feel like this weighs half of the bag. Can you hold it?
This thing is heavy.
I swear. It weighs more than the light itself. God damn. All right. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Oh my god.
Right? You can see the difference. Anyways, I'm gonna connect it so you guys see how bright it is. Like nobody cares, you know. Nobody asked me for this, but you know. It's just one of those things you do when no one asks you for it. I should probably check what it's called too, so I can like tell you guys what it's called. But then another view of my bag, guys. What else did I buy? That's pretty much it, right? That's it. And then my laptop, which I'll be getting tomorrow. You guys have a second behind the TV, right?
I'm happy for you, sis.
So this is it. You stick it behind.
Why is it on?
I know, right? So basically, this is it. It's so bright.
You're going
Then
to make them dark. They're just only going to.
Right. But like you can see, they'll use you to measure. This is me getting brighter, 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 and then lower, lower. And then they have the warm. It has the warm. Ooh.
Yeah,
That's
it's like the
amazing.
yellow.
Can you mix it up?
Yours is so cool.
You can mix it up. That's so cool. You know, I thought if you like turn it the other way, it's yellow, and then the other way is like. But no, you can mix it up and balance it. That is amazing.
For mine, you have to like take out the. It has like
The thing.
the fluorescent and.
But as
the
long
yellow.
as it has the other thing, that's like good.
But yours is cool though.
But like really, it's just like.
And I go and sell my own and buy this one. The only
Right?
issue
Look
I
at the
feel-
warm. That's
The only issue I
amazing.
feel you have is when it comes to your camera side.
Yeah, I'll
It's
have
on
to
the
put
corner.
it here, like exactly.
So your light will
Like,
not be
who wants-
necessarily.
Who wants their
Or you
camera?
can shift the camera too.
Exactly. Unless if I put it on the.
But
Where's
you'll not be
the?
able to see your LCD.
Where's the cell phone thingy?
By the way, you can invest in getting that thing where you can connect it to your laptop to be able to see yourself.
Do you know my camera came with it? I just don't know where the hell I put it.
No, you can download it online. I downloaded
What's
mine.
that?
How you can see yourself from the laptop.
From your camera?
Yeah.
I don't have Wi-Fi.
It's not Wi-Fi, child.
How?
It's the
Cable?
cable, yeah.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know where my cable
Oh,
is.
you don't know where
Exactly.
Oh, child.
Like that's the main thing.
How do you not know where
So this is the phone thingy. I'm just gonna call everything thingy because I really don't know what they're called. It's quite solid. I can actually put a camera in here. Maybe after I like place it here.
Where do you want to put the camera? Which camera do you want to put? Where do you want to put the camera?
I was thinking I'll bend it and like put the camera on here.
You cannot.
It could.
Dude, your camera will fall off.
Hold it.
This thing that is sturdy cannot hold a camera.
Are you for real? I really
What
don't
is it?
know.
It's sturdy. You cannot hold
It's
a
quite
camera.
solid though. You see?
Maybe.
It's very solid.
Maybe you put it like this. You put it this way.
Yeah,
And then
and
put it in the
then
middle so the
Who is
camera.
hungry?
Me.
You're hungry.
for real?
For real. Ah.
Lies.
I'm not hungry. Now, when I was saying yes, my stomach was just full. It
Mary
was
is just used to saying yes to food. I swear, like at this point, says.
It's nice.
Are you hungry?
See, it's quite solid. It takes
Yeah,
a
it's
lot
solid.
to actually even bend
But then the
it.
camera, are you sure the camera will fit? So you have like two extra things.
I can put it here. I can put it here.
You have like two extra.
So this is for the phone. How am I even placing this? Oh,
Yeah.
there we go. Okay, got it. So
You
there's
can
a
also
screw
use that
here.
one.
Yeah, true. Yay! Oh my god. This is pretty exciting. So that's it, guys. So which means this is the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really don't know what footage I recorded today. I feel like I didn't record anything, but for what it's worth, we went through this unboxing together. What light is it? What is it called? You know what?
Just show them the box. Did you show them the
Yeah, I did at the very beginning.
What's the name of the box?
I really don't know. I can't be bothered. Alright, guys. Bye. Let me tell them bye and good night.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Alright. Eunice also says bye.